A new deadly drug has been found to have entered Scotland's illegal drug supply, and it's killing people. They're called Nitazenes, and it's a synthetic opioid. But the difficulty is people aren't going buying this. It's being cut into other drugs that they think they're buying. So Nitazenes were first actually created in the 1950s in the lab, but never entered into medicine as a field simply because they were too potent and far too strong to use safely. Sadly, decades later, these drugs are surfaced into the illegal drugs that are found across Scotland. You'll have probably heard of fentanyl from the sad truth of all the drug deaths that have been going on in the USA. Nitazenes are much stronger than fentanyl. They're up to 50 times stronger than heroin. And the difficulty is, with just a small amount of this, it can stop you breathing, cause a respiratory arrest, and you to actually become unconscious and die. Now, Public Health Scotland in August 2025 have put out a radar alert about this. And they've outlined that in the first 3 months of this year, 38 people have died in drug-related deaths with Nitazenes in their system. The terrifying thing is that it may be that somebody was buying something and you could say, well, it's heroin. But it isn't just heroin. People are buying counterfeit oxycodone, for example, and also diazepam. So some of these street diazepams that people are buying, thinking that they're diazepam, have actually got a potent synthetic opioid in that can not only cause long-term damage to people's health and addiction, it can kill them. And that's where the real danger is, because people aren't knowingly taking this drug, they're buying it. And I think that it'll also be cut in some types of ketamine people are purchasing as well, because there's no smell and no easy way to tell if Nitazenes have been cut into the drugs you've purchased. So what can we do? Well, there's a medicine called Naloxone, more commonly referred to as Narcan, and it can be given to reverse opioid overdoses. I'll put a link down below where you can get training to get this for free. You don't need to be a medical professional. Anybody can learn, and if you're then using drugs with other people and you've got the Narcan on the table, that will be potentially life-saving. Obviously, you'd need to phone 999 as well. Now, it used to be given purely mainly by injection, but there's also this available in nasal form. So I think a key message, though, from this video is that these Nitazenes are contaminating drugs. They're stronger than fentanyl. They can be hidden in things like ketamine that people are buying, not knowing they're buying super potent opioids. And it made me think I need to spread that message. I looked on the media, there's hardly anything out about this. And I think that we need to raise awareness. So if you feel the same as me, please do share this video and we'll help the people of Scotland by spreading some harm reduction advice together.